Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tech and uncovering the top 8 coolest gadgets on Amazon right now. From cutting-edge electronics to ingenious inventions, we've got something for everyone. Let's jump right in. 8. Philips Hue Gradient Sign Lamp. The Philips Hue Sign Gradient Floor Lamp has been an absolute delight to use and enjoy since it entered our home a couple of weeks ago. With its new range of sign gradient lamps, there's also a table version. Philips Hue has tapped even deeper into the market of delightful, high-quality smart home lighting that its brand has become synonymous with. So much so that even Apple's website proudly sells a slew of its products. The Philips Hue Sign Gradient Floor Lamp is another example of Hue's great design and smart home savvy brought to life in a way that can light up any room, either as a standalone device or as part of a chorus of Hue accessories. Philips Hue Bridge owners and people already invested in the ecosystem will find this an easier purchase. Still, a hefty price of $329/279 might make the eyes water for first-time Hue buyers and those not exposed to the wonders of the smart home. Here's our review. 7. OralB Pro 1000. The OralB Pro 1000 rechargeable electric toothbrush does all the most important things the best electric toothbrush needs to do, and does them extremely well. It was the across-the-board winner in my Best Electric Toothbrushes review because it had the best combination of ease of use, effectiveness, and value. Other brushes offer multiple brushing modes and high-tech bells and whistles, but you may not need these extras if you're just looking for a standard electric toothbrush. Compared to the 8 other toothbrushes I tested, the Pro 1000 stood out as the clear choice for most people. It was the easiest to grip, use, and clean, and it was quieter than most other models, too. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line brush with features like app compatibility, however, you may prefer our best smart electric toothbrush pick, the OralB Series 7G. Here's why the OralB Pro 1000 won our top pick. 6. REB Solar Charging Power Bank. If you've been looking to purchase a power bank, chances are a solar power bank has at least tempted you. Why not? Power stations and solar panels are rapidly taking over the energy landscape, from electric cars to energy-independent, single-family homes. Getting the best of both worlds, and at such a low cost, seems like a no-brainer. But there's a catch. Solar power banks basically don't work. They are okay as far as power banks go, but that solar component is, in the vast majority of cases, effectively worthless. Usually I post multiple products to give readers as many worthwhile options as I think there are to make the right choice for their needs. But this time, there's only one worth spending your hard-earned money on. 5. Apple AirPods Pro Lightning Charging. The new for 2023 AirPods Pro 2 with MagSafe charging case, USB-C, are very similar to last year's Lightning model and cost the same, $249, AU $399 list, with a street price closer to $200, but they're not identical. First, the new buds and charging case add increased dust resistance, P54 rating instead of IPX4. Second, in a pinch you can use your iPhone 15 to charge the USB-C AirPods with the included USB-C cable. And lastly, and most interestingly, Apple has added support for 20-bit/48 kHz lossless audio with a massive reduction of latency for Apple's upcoming $3,499 Vision Pro headset. Note that Apple lossless audio actually goes up to 24-bit/192 kHz. As part of that support, Apple has announced it's developed a groundbreaking wireless audio protocol, but some bloggers and YouTubers have noted that the AirPods Pro 2 feature a new acoustic architecture. 4. DB Power Native 1080p Wi-Fi Projector. Do you need top outdoor projectors? After in-depth research and market analysis, we want to disclose the best outdoor projector within the budget that is capable of giving a theater feeling. With a great projector, you can make your outdoor movie night exciting and thrilling. I'll discuss the depth of functionality, pros, and cons of quickly making your decision. It is a portable mini projector that is suitable for indoor and outdoor. Easy functionality, high resolution, and innovative features make it different from the crowd. The exciting part of this budget projector is it enhances outdoor view, including brightness, ease of streaming, picture crispness, clarity, and many more. So you can enjoy an outdoor picnic by watching the film and curling up on the sofa with a bowl of popcorn inside the room. We picked this masterpiece DB Native 1080p outdoor projector based on its screen size, image quality, streaming ability, threat distance, brightness, resolution, sound quality, portability, and many more features. There isn't a doubt that it is a value-worthy projector that can meet your versatile needs. 3. Blake Home Security Compact Indoor Smart Security Camera. Amazon Blink's original Blink Mini was one of the smallest home security cameras available with modern smart features, a tiny and affordable cam. We enjoyed the original Blink as a budget option and as a recommendation for when you're living with roommates. As we tested dozens of new home security cameras in the past couple of years, we were happy to get our hands on the second-generation Blink Mini 2, an interesting upgrade for a higher price but with more versatile uses. The Blink Mini 2 packs a lot into a compact form. Designed to fit in small spaces, the Blink Mini 2 presents some setup difficulties, but once in place, it's impressive just how much it can do. A bright, tiny spotlight, surprisingly good audio for the size, and excellent app controls make this a budget, but not quite as budget as the previous model, pick well worth considering. While its features don't have quite as long of a reach as larger cams, the Blink Mini 2 does well in small spaces where it can handle a little of everything. 2. Anker Soundcore 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The Anker Soundcore 2 is part of the wave of Bluetooth speakers that are cheap and rugged enough that anyone can afford to upgrade their phone speaker sound without breaking the bank. For around $50, £46, about $63, the Soundcore 2 gives you a staggering 24 hours of battery life, a ruggedized and water-resistant body, and much better sound than your phone's speaker. While it doesn't quite hold against the best waterproof speakers in terms of audio performance, you'll have to pay more to get better sound. The Anker Soundcore 2 is incredible value for the price if you want to stick with a cheaper model. Build quality is excellent, and it's nice to know that its rugged body and water-resistant design can withstand the abuse of being outdoors. Just be sure to keep in mind that the Soundcore 2 is only IPX5 water-resistant, which means it'll survive splashes but can't be dunked into a pool like the UE Wonderboom. In terms of size, the Anker Soundcore 2 measures in at 165mm x 54mm x 45mm, which makes it small enough to toss into a bag without fear of it breaking and not too large that it takes up a ton of space. Its bar shape makes it easy to transport, and it's light enough that you won't mind taking it with you. 1. Samsung AirDresser 5. Caring for and cleaning delicate clothes isn't easy, and even keeping those everyday items pressed can be a hassle, so we were intrigued to try out Samsung's AirDresser. One of the AirDresser's main attractions is that it promises to keep clothes looking refreshed and revitalized without washing, so in theory, you will make fewer trips to the dry cleaners, you will do less washing and ironing, and delicate items should last longer. That said, it doesn't remove stains or clean clothes. Freshen is very much the term you are looking for here. The AirDresser is somewhat of an investment, both in terms of its price and the space it takes up. It's the size of a tall, narrow closet, so you will need to create a dedicated space for it. Something to consider if you are working up a floor plan for a remodeled walk-in closet, bedroom, or are looking for laundry room ideas. That said, you won't need a separate or new water line for it, just a socket. So is it worth the space and cost? Our review will help you decide. And there you have it, the top 8 coolest gadgets available on Amazon right now. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.